Hello everyone, my name is Amol More and welcome to our channel Solution to Blackbook. Now today one of our students has asked this question: limit x tends to 0 cos of tan x minus cos x upon x raised to 4. Now such type of questions are very difficult to solve if you are applying the usual method. So here we won't apply the usual method, whereas we will apply a very expansion wise method. Now what is this expansion? So you should know that cos of theta can be written as 1 minus theta square by 2 factorial plus theta raised to 4 by 4 factorial minus theta raised to 6 by 6 factorial and so on. Alternate plus minus and even powers divided by even factorial. Okay, and there is one more thing. Tan of theta can be written as theta plus theta cube by 3 plus 2 theta raised to 5 by 15 and so on. These first three terms are sufficient to solve any question. Okay, now let us concentrate on our question. They have given cos of tan x. So instead of theta I have tan x. So it will be 1 minus tan square x by 2 factorial plus tan raised to 4x by 4 factorial and tan raised to 6 x by 6 factorial and so on, and cos x is directly replacing theta by x. Okay, so let us move with the question. Question is limit x tends to 0 cos of tan x minus cos x upon x raised to 4. Now our denominator is x raised to 4, hence we will apply the expansion up to power 4 only. So it will be 1 minus tan square x by 2 factorial plus tan raised to 4x by 4 factorial. As the denominator is 4x raised to 4, we are only applying expansion till raised to 4. Okay, and cos x is 1 minus x square by 2 factorial plus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial divided by x raised to 4. One more argument could be, why are we neglecting the higher powers? Because anyways they will be very close to 0 and they will get cancelled with x raised to 4. Okay, now let us open this bracket. After opening this bracket we will understand that 1 will get cancelled and x square by 2 factorial minus tan square x by 2 factorial plus tan raised to 4x by 4 factorial minus x raised to 4 by 4 factorial divided by x raised to 4. Okay, let us split this limit into two parts. So L will be equal to limit x tends to 0 tan square x minus x square. Let us check once again. What is it? It is x square minus tan square x. Okay, so L is equal to limit x tends to 0 x square minus tan square x upon 2 x raised to 4. That is the first part of the limit. Let us check. X square minus tan square x upon 2 x raised to 4. And the second part of the limit x tends to 0, it is tan raised to 4x minus x raised to 4 upon 4x raised to 4. Okay, so this will be equal to limit x tends to 0 x minus tan x and x plus tan x, a plus b, a minus b upon 2x raised to 4, and over here limit x tends to 0 1 upon 4 tan raised to 4x upon x raised to 4 minus x raised to 4 upon x raised to 4. Okay, let us split the limits here. X minus tan x upon x into x plus tan x upon x into 1 upon 2. Now we have x raised to 4, so let us give x cube here and x here, because this limit can be easily solved, and this will be turning into 1 by 4, 1 raised to 4 minus 1 raised to 4, which is nothing but 0. Okay, now this limit is to be solved. So limit x tends to 0 x minus tan x upon x cube. Now x upon x will be 1 and tan x upon x will also be equal to 1. So 2 into 1 upon 2 will be equal to 1. So our limit has been changed to x minus tan x upon x cube. Okay, so now limit has been changed to a very nice form, x minus tan x upon x cube. So this will turn into, let us apply expansion. Expansion will be x plus x cube by 3. We need not write the ahead expansion because the denominator power is x cube. So limit x tends to 0, x minus x cube by 3 upon x cube. So that will turn into limit x tends to 0 minus x cube upon 3x cube. So x cube will get cancelled because x is not equal to 0. So the answer is minus 1 upon 3. Okay, so the answer for this particular question, as we can see, is option B. So such difficult questions can be solved by using the expansions. You need to understand the expansion of cos theta and tan theta and just go on with the flow. You will always get the answer. Okay, do not forget to like this video, comment on this video, do spread the knowledge, and do not forget to subscribe to our channel.